Yo, yo, yo. Hey everyone. Welcome back to another XeroLinux video. Hope you're doing well today. I wanted to take a moment to talk about something very personal and important that's coming up in my life and how it will affect the kind of work and content you've come to know from me, especially with XeroLinux. For those who don't know me deeply, XeroLinux has been a huge part of my life for years. It's not just a project. It's a passion and a way I connect with this amazing community of Linux users and developers. I've poured countless hours into building ISOs, fixing bugs, designing installers, and making sure everything works smoothly for those who rely on it. On the content side, making videos and streams has been my way to share knowledge and keep the connection alive. Lately, though, my health has taken a significant toll, both mentally and physically. I've been through some challenging setbacks that have slowed me down and made it harder for me to keep up with everything. These aren't easy things to talk about, but I believe being open and honest is important. After weighing my options and doing a lot of soul searching, I've come to realize that I need to take a break, relocate back to Serbia for an unknown period of time. This isn't just about a change of scenery. It's about accessing the kind of support and affordable care that I need right now. The cost of living there is much, much lower than here. And I can focus more on recovery without the constant stress of my current situation. The move is not without its difficulties. One major challenge is that I can't just pack my work equipment and ship it over easily. My current setup, the machines that handle the heavy lifting for compiling ISOs, kernels, video editing, and so much more, are specialized and expensive. Shipping them internationally comes with risks and huge, huge costs. That's why I'm reaching out to you today with a request. As much as I don't like to do this, this is one thing I must do because without the right equipment, I won't be able to continue working effectively on XeroLinux or keep producing content. The fundraiser I'm launching is to raise funds for a powerful enough mini PC that can handle the demanding tasks I need to do. It's got to be powerful enough to compile software, create ISOs, build kernels, and support content creation workflows, even if scaled down a little. One important thing to note, videos on YouTube will take a temporary pause while I'm away, because editing, uploading high-quality videos will be difficult without full setup access, like multiple monitors, for example. But on the bright side, I'll keep doing live streams as regularly as I can. Live streams are less complex to run, and they allow me to stay connected with all of you during this period, updating you on the situation, on XeroLinux, and so on and so forth. I want to be clear about why this fundraiser is urgent. I need to raise the funds by the end of this month. So we still got 2 weeks left because the mini PC I need isn't available in Serbia. Ordering it from here and shipping it there isn't an option because of crazy taxes and custom fees. It will make it unaffordable. So I have to get it here and take it with me over there. With your help, I'm confident that this can happen quickly. I've always been amazed at how supportive and generous this community around XeroLinux and my content has been. And I'm hopeful we can come together once again. This isn't just about equipment or work. It's about taking a much needed step back to take care of myself so I can come back healthier and stronger. Mental and physical health are complex, and sometimes we don't realize how much they affect everything until they start to slip. I want to thank everyone who has supported me not only financially, but emotionally and in spirit. You all are a big part of why I've kept going through tough times, and I want to keep building this community with you for a long time to come. So thank you for listening and for anything you can do to support this fundraiser, whether that's sharing the word, donating, or just sending positive vibes. It means the world to me. I'll keep you all updated along the way, and I look forward to returning with even more passion, projects, and content soon. To donate, the links to the fundraiser, the link to the fundraiser is in the description below, as well as my personal fundraiser. Donate wherever you can. Now, take care of yourselves out there, and I'll see you on the live stream. Long live and prosper, and peace out. God bless y'all.